This was my living room just last week. Dust bunnies under the couch, paper strewn across every surface, and a sense of overwhelm that hits every time I walk in here. But today, we're turning this mess into something functional, clean, and actually inviting. Now that we've cleared the clutter, it's time for the real magic. Every surface gets wiped down, cobwebs in corners, grime on shelves, even hidden dust behind the TV. This isn't just cleaning, it's resetting the room, so it feels brand new. Imagine walking into a room that was once cluttered to a sanctuary of order in just 1 hour.
It's not just clean, it's designed for how I live, making daily life smoother and more joyful. There's a reason this approach feels so rewarding. It's not just about scrubbing surfaces, it's about rewiring our brains for focus and achievement. When we clean with purpose, breaking tasks into small satisfying wins, our minds release dopamine, making the process feel almost meditative. And here's the kicker, organized spaces reduce stress by up to 20%. So you're not just cleaning, you're crafting a calmer, more productive environment. Imagine walking into a room that was once cluttered, dusty, and overwhelming. Now it's bright,